So we've established that 5 plus radical 7 times 5 minus radical 7 equals 18. Well, these are two very special binomials, and they are called conjugates. Conjugates. Conjugates are the binomials where the only difference is the sign. And so it's the sign of one term, so in this case it's the radical 7. But really, conjugates are exactly the same except one's a plus and one's a minus. And whenever you have conjugates that contain integers and the square roots of those integers, when you multiply them, you are always going to get an integer. Now this is useful, and I'm going to show you why. What if I have this fraction, 6 over 3 plus 2 radical 3? Well, we know it's not simplified because we can't have a radical in the denominator. But if I multiply by radical 3, I'll end up with 3 radical 3. So that's not going to get rid of it. The only way for me to get rid of the radical in the bottom is to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the conjugate. So the conjugate of 3 plus 2 radical 3 is actually 3 minus 2 radical 3. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 minus 2 radical 3 over 3 minus 2 radical 3. So that gives me 6 times 3 minus 2 radical 3 over 3 squared minus 2 radical 3 squared, which equals 18 minus 12 radical 3 over 9 minus 12. So then I get 18 minus 12 radical 3 over negative 3. And I'm going to separate that into two fractions. That's like 18 over negative 3 minus 12 radical 3 over negative 3. So that gives me negative 6 minus negative 4 radical 3, which really is just 6 plus 4 radical 3. So let's try another one of those. What if I have 3 over radical 5 minus 2? I need to multiply by the conjugate of square root of 5 minus 2. And so that's going to be the square root of 5 plus 2 over radical 5 plus 2. So that gives me 3 times radical 5 plus 2 over, now remember it's a difference of squares, so it's going to be square root of 5 squared minus 2 squared, which is 3 radical 5 plus 6 over 5 minus 4. So I get 3 radical 5 plus 6 over 1, which really just equals 3 radical 5 plus 6. Okay, so lame joke for the day. Why did the right triangle go to the beach? And yes, this is my picture of a beach. So why did the right triangle go to the beach? Because it was 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. Right triangle. Ha ha ha. Alright, do the check-in. See you later. Bye.